Welcome to this DelfStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to upload any photo in Google Chrome. Open Chrome and go to the website where you want to upload an image. Let's say I want to upload image in Google Drive. Just click on New and click on File Upload. And it will open you in the File Explorer. Navigate and choose the photo that you want to upload and click on Open. The photo will then be uploaded to the website. This method works for any site with standard file upload interface, including social media, cloud storage, or email services. We just uploaded a photo in Chrome by selecting the file through the website upload interface, allowing quick and easy image submission. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelfStack tutorial videos.